Hello again. What is mindfulness meditation? Well, mindfulness meditation is the intentional practice of being mindful in the present moment. Everyone can be mindful throughout the day. It's free to do. You can be mindful when you're brushing your teeth, noticing the sensations of the brush, the taste of the toothpaste, the sound of the running water. That is being mindful, being aware in the present moment. Try it. Here are some wise words from the ever calm, mindful and present Mr. Eckhart Tolle, author of The Power of Now. He offers us a definition saying that the human condition is to be lost in thought. The past doesn't exist anymore and has no power over the present moment, and that the future is just a projection of the mind. But why do we do it? Why do we keep ourselves imprisoned in our incessant negative mind talk and making ourselves stressed and anxious by worrying about it? Tolle also informs us that mindfulness can come in moments. We don't have to be mindful all the time, but just touching base with the here and now every now and then, even for just 5 minutes here and there, sheds a different light on your day and promotes positive mental health and well-being. Being mindful develops more significantly when we practice it regularly. Initially, people prefer to begin with a tutor-guided meditation or joining a group or a class, and others just want to practice sitting in silence and becoming mindful and more present in the moment and being aware of physical sensations, thoughts, feelings and emotions. Mindfulness meditation is the action of being present and mindful in the here and now. We're not trying to stop our thoughts or our feelings, we're just acknowledging them without judgment. And if you notice yourself stop and paying attention to the thought or judging them, then make that part of your learning to practice mindfulness meditation with a mindset of curiosity, acknowledgement and awareness of the present moment, and letting go thoughts and emotions. When we want to learn mindfulness and practice meditation, we should approach it in the same way as learning any other new skill, like riding a bike, learning to swim or learning to drive a car. It all takes practice. So if we all become more aware at the very core of our beings, in the present moment is all we have, we can begin reducing our stress levels and promote positive mental health. So make the now in your present moment count. Go on, give it a try. See you in the next video. Bye for now.